So clinical trials are ways that we can offer some therapeutic options for patients. Usually it's asking a question whether there's a novel medicine, for instance, that may be better than what the standard of treatment is. I want to emphasize, though, patients are always getting the standard of care. We're not changing from that. But sometimes there may be an additional medicine added to it, for instance, that, who knows, it could become what is the next standard of care. So it's an option, I think, that we want to provide for our patients here in the Fredericksburg community to really have the most novel treatments available. I think that's very important as the landscape is constantly changing in oncology. I think choosing a clinical trial or having the options here at HOAF just show the commitment that we have to our patients in the community. I personally think it's easier to be treated closer to home, and sometimes for patients having the option for a clinical trial, that may be something that is going to become the standard of care. Being close to home makes a big difference, so I think having clinical trials here just allows patients to spend more time with their family. So most of the time for patients, if a clinical trial is an option, we have already researched that possibility and we will present it to our patients. Unfortunately, clinical trials can be a little specific, so not everyone is going to be available to enroll on a clinical trial, but I know when I practice and see my patients, I always keep a clinical trial as an option. Doesn't mean patients have to partake in the trial, but we really do a good job researching what patients are available for trials. So when they come in, they know that it's a possibility. Fortunately, clinical trials are covered by either a large cooperative group that's organizing the trial or by a pharmaceutical company, so there's no extra cost on the patient's behalf. So everyone should be allowed to be on a trial based on financial circumstance. That's not going to exclude anyone.